наше видеозанятие. И, значит так, на прошлом занятии мы учили глагол to be, но в настоящем времени. Теперь в прошедшем. So, куза, verb. По-английски как это будет? Я был здесь.
I was here.
Отлично. Теперь. How? Куза, verb.
You were here. You were here.
Отлично. It's is куза, verb. Он был, нет, он был здесь.
He was here. He was here.
Отлично. Так, теперь is куза, ер.
She was here. She was here.
Так, is куза, дер.
It was here. It was here.
Is куза, бер.
It was here.
Excellent. Good. Don't put it. Отлично. Так, теперь. Вы, куза, дер.
We were here.
Замечательно.
We were here.
Майкл, ты помнишь, что такое «вы»? Что это значит по-русски?
You.
Нет. «Вы»
We.
да, это мы. Но мы с тобой. Мы все.
We.
Да, но у нас есть еще одно слово. «То». Да, то же самое. Но хочу объяснить тебе. «То», вот когда я это говорю тебе, это значит мы со зрителями, но без тебя. То, it means we, but without interlocutor, your interlocutor. Отлично. Теперь. Шу, куза, дер.
You were here.
Отлично.
You were here.
Ага. It's üç, куза, бер.
They. They were here. They were here.
Üç, куза, ер.
They were here.
Üç, kuza, dер.
They were here. They were here.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
It was my pleasure.